Hi friends. So this video is a continuation part for the part one. So sorry friends, due to the current issues, I just have to convert the video into two parts. So we are using. So we have to print the character from A to Z, right? So first we have to write character. So this is a data type. So here, if we want to print integers means numbers, we have to use int data type. So if you want to print the characters, we have to use the char data type. So I is a variable. So I should be less than or equal to z. I plus plus. Same. So in the characters, we have to use single quotes. That's it. It is same. For the character, we have to use the single quotes. That's it. So simply we have to print the I. So what I have done? So I have used the char. So this is also a data type. So if you want to print a characters, we have to use the char data type. So I have used I as a variable, and after that I have iterated from A to Z. So A is less than Z, right? So A is less than Z. And after that, I plus plus. So I will be incremented. So what after A, what is the alphabet? B. Here, B will be there. So each time it will be iterated. So until I should be less than or equal to Z. I hope you understand the program. So let us run the program. See here, A, B, C, D, up to Z. So in this way, we can utilize the for loop tool to solve this problem. So if you find if this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon so then only you will get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.